that, today I'm going to be sharing with you 6 ways on how to open the on-screen keyboard on your Windows 11. Number 1 is basically just pressing the Windows and Ctrl and 0. So when you press that, it's supposed to bring this on-screen keyboard as easy as that. So that is the fastest way, and that is number 1. So going on to number 2 is pressing the Windows button again. So when you press that, you just need to type on screen, and when you type that, it's supposed to bring this on-screen keyboard immediately, and then you can press open, and then it is supposed to open it as easy as that. I believe number 2 is pretty easy, but if in case it fails, you can also try out number 3. So number 3 is basically pressing the Windows plus R, and this will bring up run prompt, and then you can type OSK. And that is the on-screen keyboard in short form, and it's supposed to bring it as that. Moving on to number 4, so this is going to be with the terminal. So you press the Windows and then you type in terminal. It's supposed to bring the command prompt, which you can open up, and when it opens up, all thing you have to do is just press or type in OSK, and that should bring the keyboard right away, as you can see. This is pretty easy too, and in case other ways fail, this can be your way to go. Moving on to a kind of longer way is you have to press Windows plus I, which will bring up the settings, and all you have to do is just go and type in on-screen keyboard. So all you have to do is just type in on-screen, and then you can click on the first option, and that will take you to the keyboard, and it says use your device without a physical keyboard, and then you can press on, and when you press on, it's supposed to bring the keyboard immediately. And if you want to remove this keyboard, you can just press the X in the corner of the keyboard, or you can still press the button you used to put it on, and then you can say off. Moving on to our last option for this video, it is going to be with the control panel. So you press the Windows button and then you just type in control panel, and it's supposed to bring the app, and then you can press open, and when it opens, we are going to look for ease of access. So among all this, you have to look for ease of access center. So it is the third option here, so you tap on that, and then it brings this, so you can see where the on-screen keyboard is. So it's supposed to bring the keyboard. This is the longest way we have in these ways in this video, but it works in case all other ways have failed. Bonus tip: while using this keyboard, you may want to change the numpad. So all you have to go is press the options, and it can bring this settings menu, and then you can choose to add numbers in case you want to use numbers, or you can remove them. So it helps you navigate this on-screen keyboard very quite well. So this is my bonus tip for you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment in case you have any questions or something isn't working right. I'll definitely answer you. You may consider subscribing for more tips and tricks tech-wise, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.